So in this video we're going to be teaching how to break even and trail your stop loss. So I know you might probably not be familiar with this concept. However, what we need to understand is the concept of breaking even. It's almost just like the normal business terms break even, which is a scenario whereby your business is neither making profit nor making loss. However, one thing we need to understand is in trading, break even is used to protect your trade against a loss, which means your trade is already moving in profit. If you want to secure your trade in such a way whereby no matter what happens or regardless what happens, your trade can never close in a loss, it is called a break even. And it is done by moving your stop loss beyond your entry price when your trade is in some level of profits. That is, for a buy, you modify your stop loss above your entry price. Remember, for a buy you want price to go up, so it means if you place your buy and price keeps going up, at a point you could move your stop loss from below your entry price to above your entry price. In that way, if price should eventually retrace, it will not hit your stop loss in negative. However, it will now hit your stop profit and just reduce the profit you're making on that trade. As well, for a sell, you modify your stop loss below your entry price to secure some profits. However, we need to understand you cannot break even when you are in loss, which means should in case you are in loss, you cannot break even. So you can only break even when you are in profit. So let's see how to practicalize breaking even on our MetaTrader 4 platform. So the Euro USD trade we placed is in profits, both the buy stop and the instant execution order. So let's try to break even. Remember, our stop loss is down here, so what we can do is to move our stop loss to a little bit above our entry price, and by so doing, the easiest way is let's go to a lower time frame so we could choose a better break even level. So now for the initial instant order we placed, which we entered as at this point, which will be somewhere around 1.06830, we could set our stop loss above our entry price. That is, we could break even now and put our stop loss at 1.06888. So what we then do to modify our position is to come to the running trade, and then on stop loss you could double click, or you could right click on the trade and then select modify or delete order. So what then happens is we then edit our stop loss. So in this case, let's put stop loss at 1.06915. so we type that into the stop loss figure, 1.06915. so you see the modify icon automatically becomes highlighted, and then you click on modify, and automatically let's delete this horizontal line. So automatically this stop loss has been placed above your entry. So what this means is if this price should retrace, it will not hit stop loss below the entry price. However, it will hit stop loss now above entry price, which means it will close in a little bit of profit. And in fact, if you put your cursor just above it, you can actually see how much profit you will be closing in. So in this case, if price comes back to hit our stop loss, we will be closing in a profit of about 221 Australian dollar, and that is how the concept of breaking even works. So let's try to break even on dollar CHF as well. So once again, we go to a lower time frame so we could select a more suitable level. So let's say we break even and fix our stop loss to 0.98572. So once more on dollar CHF, we right click and select modify or delete order, and then in the stop loss box we simply type in 0.98572 172, and then you select modify, and automatically our stop loss has also been adjusted. So should in case this trade retraces, it will not hit us out in loss. However, it would only close us in a profit of 199 Australian dollar. This is how the concept of breaking even works. And in trailing your stop loss, as price keeps selling, we could keep moving our stop loss down, 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 and that's basically to secure as much profit as we can. So that's it. See you in the next video.